Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Olirato Mongale. She's a vet student, a vet journalist student. She went on a date with this guy, and she was also murdered. We are not sure what's very umisile good dates because books of Puma eats hombe a restaurant was very uile sensing good dates. So I think that at the time I'm tata a bloom, I and I a Jovic. I think ummedari endleleni because umzimba girl was found at Alexandra. And I don't understand why the guy had to kill Ugel. And everyone is just assuming right now ukuthi Olerato has imali and maybe it was a hit because abantu bakhona babuya eDurban. So everything under this video is allegedly. So after she went out on a date, she told her friends, ukuthi, I'll check in every after 1 hour. And if ever I don't check in, just know I'm not safe. She did every protocol amantombazana bawatshela wona. She went out on a date emini. She went out like yonke into eshiwo ngamantombazane ukuthi go out on a date, wazi ukuthi usafe, you alert people ukuthi uyaphi, so on and so forth. Amakhamera nawo washuthile le moto bekahambe nayo. The only thing ukuthi bekangabonakali umuntu beka-drive laphayana ku-pathway. But I just hope lama-suspects laba bawatholile vele ama-suspects adingekayo because sometimes i-case manje ilahleke because abanye bathi lo guy omthathile is a guy from Uganda and some people bathi abantu bala South Africa. And then amaphoyisa issued out a statement ukuthi if ever you guys nihlangana with these two people ababakhiphile, just call the cops because they are also dangerous. Like mawuzoba approach uthi uyambamba but it's dangerous kwayena loyo muntu loyo. So guys, may her soul rest in peace. This is not how her journey should have ended, and no one's journey should end like this. And mind you, Olerato was the only child. Umamaike had several miscarriages, and Olerato was umntana wenhlanhla. That's why umamake amname Olerato. And these people had a chance to take away the only child umamake anai, which is such a painful thing. It's such a painful thing, guys. We are no longer safe in South Africa. We can't even go on dates. On dates. And I get umuntu ozozala azojaja, guys, because you know very well ukuthi mawuzohlangana nomuntu ukhuluma naye iviki and then macedile na ku-date, maybe that's Saturday. You can't date a person today, uye ku-date naye today. It can't happen like that. So please give Olerato a chance. Ningaloni nimjaja ningazi ukuthi kuyenzakaleni. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.